How to receive calls on two iPhones at the same time. Here's how to receive the same incoming call on two iPhones. Before you begin, make sure both iPhones are signed in with the same Apple account and are connected to Wi-Fi. Also, ensure that Wi-Fi calling is enabled if your carrier requires it. Now, on your primary iPhone, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Phone. Next, tap Calls on Other Devices. If you don't see this option on your iPhone, don't worry. The location may vary depending on your iOS version or carrier. Just follow the steps shown on the screen. I'll display a screenshot to make it easier to find. Once you locate it, turn on Allow Calls on Other Devices. You'll see a list of your Apple devices signed in with the same Apple account. Enable the second iPhone that you want to receive calls on. As long as both iPhones are nearby, connected to Wi-Fi, and signed into the same Apple account, incoming calls can ring on both devices at the same time. That's it. You can now answer calls from either iPhone without missing important calls. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.